All right, Bounce House School, let's do this. Vision. Vision is arguably the most important part of your business. So let's jump right in. I ignored vision for a while. I didn't think it was important. And as I said in the book, there were some detrimental consequences to not having a vision. So by the end of this video, I'm going to walk you through how to write down your personal vision and your business vision. This is key. You have to write it down, guys. I don't care if you write it down in your phone, on a notebook. There's the Bounce House School workbook if you want to buy that and write it down there. But this is exactly how you want to write it down: your personal vision and your business vision. So let's get started. How the heck do you do that? All right, let's start with your personal vision. Okay, here's what you have to do. How to craft a powerful personal vision. Number one, you got to identify your goals. What are the checkpoints on your path to achieving your vision? Write down just 5 personal goals that you want in your vision. It's very important that you ask the people that this affects, whether that's your friends, family, spouse, whoever it is that this affects. It is best to make it with them. For example, I want to buy a house. I want to work no more than 40 hours a week. I want to take a vacation every year. I want to be present for my kids. I want to build a retirement fund. Whatever it is, you write it down, okay? And then you go to AI and you let AI help you do the rest. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First, write down your personal goals. Then you go to ChatGPT. So it's just chatgpt.com. It's free. And you go like this. You grab this prompt and you type in, help me write a personal vision statement that focuses on goals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so here's how it's pretty amazing. I love AI. I love using these free tools. You guys will learn that about me a lot. It really helps speed things up. So here's what you do. Help me write a personal vision that focuses on getting me to buy a house for my family, work. I want to work 10 hours a week in my business and spend the rest of the time on hobbies and spending time with my kids. What else? I want to write a book. All right, so these are all my goals. These are all my life goals that I want to do. And I'm asking ChatGPT to help me come up with a personal vision. All right. I also want to become buff. All right, we're going to hit enter and see what ChatGPT comes up with. So here is my version 1 of my personal vision statement. I envision a life where I provide a beautiful home for my family, a space filled with comfort, love, and security. My business operates with efficiency and impact, allowing me to work no more than 10 hours a week while empowering my team to thrive. This frees me time to focus on my passions, writing a meaningful book that inspires, educates, dedicating myself to hobbies that bring joy and creativity, and making lasting memories with my children through quality time together. I strive for balance, channeling discipline, and focusing into becoming physically strong and healthy by embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes family, personal growth, and well, I mean, look at this thing. It's not a good vision statement because it's too long, but you get the idea. I will build a legacy of purpose, fulfillment, and resilience for myself and my loved ones. Every day I move closer to the vision with intentionality and gratitude, aligning my actions with my life. What do you guys see why this is important now? As you start to go build your business, you will look back at this and say, hey, this is taking me away from my vision. All right. Now, my favorite prompt ever for ChatGPT is make it shorter. I do it all the time. I feel bad. All right. So now it's going to make it shorter and it's still going to squeeze everything in. I envision a life where I provide a loving home for my family, work just 10 hours a week in my business, and spend the rest of the time pursuing hobbies, writing a book, and creating memories with my kids. I'm becoming strong, healthy, and living a balanced life of purpose, growth, and joy. That is an excellent personal vision. That is a vision for your heart. You don't share that with the world. That's for you. That is your compass when you're making these business decisions. When you're deciding what you're going to do with your life, you always come back to this. Is this going to help me hit my goals? Is this going to help me work 10 hours a week? Is this going to help me spend time with my family? Is this going to help me make time to write a book? So this becomes your personal vision. You grab that and you go back here and you put it right here. This is your personal vision. You write it down. All right. Now, business vision. Now that we've done this, Now that we've got the personal vision, now we use the same chat. Here's what's cool about ChatGPT. This is a conversation. It remembers what it just gave you. And now we can say, okay, now here's my business goals. Help me get a business vision that aligns with my personal vision. Is this making sense? I hope you guys are excited. I'm really excited. So now I'm going to go with my business vision. All right. So you're going to go to the workbook, and there's, again, right here, your business vision is, what does your community look like with your business in it? The difference, and this is what a lot of business books don't hit on. This is what confused me for a while. My vision sounds selfish. I want to be the number one, blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, I don't feel comfortable putting that on my website, right? Because that's all about me. I want to make a lot of money. I want to get a lot of sales. I want to be like, what is that? So I learned that you need two visions, a personal vision and then a business vision that tells the world what it will look like, what your community will look like with your business in it. So it's not about you. It's about the impact that you have on your community. Okay. So here are benefits. What are the benefits of working with, what are the business benefits? Trusted, safe and clean, fast, simple. What are the benefits of working with you? You're trustworthy, you're safe, clean. So you write down these benefits, and then you go to ChatGPT and you put in this prompt. Help me write a business, glad I caught that, business vision. And then you put these benefits. So we'll go back to ChatGPT. Help me write a business vision statement that aligns with my personal vision and focuses on the following benefits. I'm going to go back. You're going to write down all the business benefits, right? And don't just use these, right? I mean, you can, but you want it to come from you, from your heart, not from me. Focuses on, here are the benefits. And we're going to hit go. So our vision is to be the most trusted party rental company in Chicago, providing safe, clean, and reliable equipment that brings joy and ease to every event. We strive to simplify the customer experience with fast, seamless online booking and deliver exceptional 5-star service. Focuses on clear communication by building trust and blah, blah, blah. We aim to create a thriving business that supports fulfilling life of family, personal growth, and balance for our team and customers alike. Wow, I love that. I actually love that. That is so good. It tells customers that you are not on BS, that you care about you and your family and your team as well. I love that. This is like a corporate, like a Fortune 500 vision right here. We can ask it to make it a little bit shorter, just so it's, because you want your vision to be easy to memorize and easy for your team to be aligned on. Make it shorter. Let's see what this gives us. Delivering safe, clean equipment. We aim to create joy for our customers by building a business that supports balance and growth. That is so good. Like, how many of your competitors have a vision on their website? Probably none. You're going to be the one. And I've actually had people do business with me because of my vision. Literally, people have said, I've read your story, I've seen your vision. Not everybody, not a lot, but there's people that see value in that. Those are really high-end customers. So now you have your business vision, and this is your compass. When you are deciding if you should do something or not, if you should get into a new item or not, you look at these two visions, you make sure they align, and that is how you use your vision. And with that, that is the Vision Builder Crash Course, number 1 and number 10 things that you have to do right now. The most important thing is to write down your vision. So go to ChatGPT, write down your personal vision, brainstorm with ChatGPT, come up with a vision that aligns with you. Your personal vision stays here, and your business vision put out into the world. Once you've watched this video, I need you to comment your city and state on the video so that you hold yourself accountable and so that we can all hold each other accountable. And that tells you that you completed this lesson. Thank you.